Pass to number 18. Number 18. Ako ang number 27. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 18.
50 seconds to shoot.
Pass to number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. In and out. Good for 2 by number 12. Big, nagdadalang bola. 50 seconds. Pass to number 7. Foul by number 8. 40 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Drives to 3. Short. Nakuha number 7. Wala. Ako number 24. Pass to number 18. Nakuha ng kalaban. Number 0 ba yan? Ay, number 1. Shot. Good for 2 by number 0. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Drives to 3. No. Ako number 0. Number 0. Binababa ang bola. Napakabilis. Pinasa kay Irving. Shot. Good for 2 by number 18. Number 12. Binababa ang bola. Score. 4-2. Pass to number 18. Mendoza. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 12. Drives to 3. Bam! 3 point by number 12. Irving nagbababa ng bola. 8. Pass number 9 is still by number 0. Good. Number 0, binababa ang bola. May pangharap ng bola. Pass to number 8. Binalik sa number 0. Good for 2 by number 0. Ayan. Number 0. Pass to number 7. And to shoot. Number 18. Pinasa lang pala. Nakuha number 12. Pass break by number 18. Number 18. No. Nagawa pa rin number 0. Number 0. Bababa ng bola. Last 6 minutes. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 0. Good for 2 by number 0. Ang score, 9-4. Number 18, pass to number 8, back to number 18, and then number 0. 50 seconds to shoot. No. Ako number 24. No, wala pa rin. Ako na number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. Lilipad. Pinasa na pala kay Irving. No, wala rin. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 8. Binalik sa number 12. Binalik-balik. Pinalik ulit, lumabas sa bola, same ball pa rin tayo.
Score po natin ay 9-4.
Ang score, 9-4. Labang ang may alam. Anong team ang kabila?
Pre, mas malakas pa yung bibig sa speaker.
Number 12. Pass to number 18, lilipad. Nasa lang pala sa number 8, pass to number 24. Good for 2 by number 24. Number 7, binalipag ang bola kay Irving. Out. Wala pa rin. Bola number 8. Number 8, sasalaksak. Pinasa lang pala sa number 18. Inangat na. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Number 12, pass to number 8. Ako na number 18. Pass to number 24, lumipad, wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin yan. Number 7 na agaw, bola natapikan na number 8. Number 8, shooting guard, no. Agaw pa rin na number 24, pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Ang score, 13-4. Number 0, nagbababa ng bola. Sumalaksak, pass to number 9. Good for 2 by number 4. Ang score, 13-6. number 8. Hanap ng papasahan. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 18. Number 18, gumagawa ng plano. Pinasa kay number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0, pass to number 18. Wala. Rebound pa rin number 0. Number 0, bigot-bigot. Pinasa lang pala. Nakakuha ng kalaban. Number 9. Number 9, lilipad. Easy layup. Ang score. 8-13. Last 3 minutes. Number 0, iniwala ng out of bounds. Bola tayo ng, anong team yan?
IG. RG.
RG. Ang score, 8-13. Lamang ang RG.
Ang oras po natin ay 2 minutes.
Oras, 2 minutes and 54 seconds to play. By number 0, pass to number 12. Here drop number 24. Good for 2 by number 24. Score, 8-15. Lamang pa rin ang Boss RJ. Number 9. Number 9, ginagawa ng paraan. Pinasa sa ilalim. Masyadong pala. And number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. Ang score, 10-15. Lamang pa rin ang Boss RJ. Number 12, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 12. Pinalik sa kaliwa. Number 18. Pinasa number 12. Bang! 3 points! Pass to kay Irving. Irving ginagawa ng paraan. Bang! Ganda naman yan. Good for 2 by number 18, Irving. Ang score, 12-18. Labang ang RJ team. 15 seconds to shoot. Oras po natin, 1 minute and 45 seconds to play. Number 0, sasalaksak. Pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Score, 20-12. Boss Irving. Good for 2 by number 18. Number 8, pass sa labas, outside. Bola tayo na Boss Irving. Ay, Boss Irving! Traveling violation. Bola tayo na Boss RJ. Oras, 1 minute and 15 seconds to play. Ang score, 14-20. Lamang pa rin ang Boss RJ ng 6. As to Mendoza, number 18. Back to Mendoza. Wala pa rin. Naago na number 7. Nagmamadali. Number 7. Lilipad. Pasa sa labas outside. Bola tayo ng Boss RJ.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute and 3 seconds to play. Good man. Inbound by number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 8. Felix sa number 12. Number 12. Good for 2 by number 12. Dos, wait na.
Last 50 seconds.
Last 50 seconds to play. Number 9 nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 0. Good for 2.
Last 40 seconds.
Last 40 seconds to play.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Bola tayo ng Boss Irving. Oras, 43 seconds and 5 seconds pala. 43 seconds, 0.5. Score po natin, ano yan, 80. 22-16. Bound by number 9. As to number 18, Irving. Back to number 9. Bang! 3 points!
Last 30 seconds.
Last 30 seconds. Wala. Pinasa sa number 0. 25 seconds to play. Pasa number 0 ulit. Good for 2. Ang score. 22-21. Tigit na po tayo. 18 seconds to play. Number 8. Bang! 3 points. 10 seconds to play. Number 18. Bumawi, wala. 7 seconds to play. 5 seconds to play. Number 2 seconds to play. Wala na po tayong oras. Ang score, 21-25. Lamang ang boss RJ ng 4. Back to the ball game. Kung mga nauuhaw, uminom na ng tubig, baka ay mabulunan kayo sa paglalaro. Isang timeout lang ang bawat team. At niya, isa lang ang timeout nyo. Isang timeout nyo. Back to the ball game. Wala tayo ng ibig. Bola po tayo ng RJ. Start na. Ibabay number 8. Pass to number 0. Back to number 8. Pinasa lang pala sa number 0. Pass to number 12. Dice to 3. Wala. Ibabay number 7. Pass back to number 0. Number 0. Number 0, dribble the ball, pass to number 18. Pass to number 24, good for 2 by number 24. Number 7, pass to number 18, boss. Shirking, lilipad! Wala! Nangago na number 12. Binababa ang bola, pass to Mendoza, number 18. Pass to number 24, ang halimaw! Wala pa rin! Nangago na number 0. Pinasa sa baba kay boss, Shirking nag-iisa at nakawala ang bola. Madulas talaga. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 14 seconds to play. Ang score, lamang pa rin ang boss RJ, 27-21. Number 8, pass to number 7 sa kalaban. Pinalik kay boss Irving, kumuha ang bola. Naagaw ng kalaban. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 24, lumipad na yung number 12. Wala. Na-rebound na number 7 sa kalaban. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 0. Ititira pa. Good for 2 by number 0. Irving. Number 0. Inangatan. Good for 2 by number 0. Pass to number 8. Back to number 0. Number 0. Nagkaanap ng butas. Pass to number 9. Good for 2 by number 9. Ang score, 25-29. Lamang po tayo ng 4. Boss RJ. Pass to number 0, Putata. Nago ng kalaban number 24. Number 24, pass to number 8. Pinalik ulit at pinalik sa side. Number 12, sumalaksak. Pinasa lang pala sa number 8. Magic Red. Wala pa rin. Nago ni Boss Irving. Irving, naghahanap ng papasahan. To make easy 2 points. Ang score po natin, 27-29. Konting dikit na lang. Number 18, lilipad. Wala. Nago na number 0. Pass to Boss Irving. Irving, titira ba sa 3? Sumalpak. Wala. All back. 27-29. Lamang pa rin ang Boss RJ. 5 seconds to play. 14 seconds to play. Ibang by number 24. Number 24. 15 seconds to play. Good for 2 by number 8. Number 9. Pass to number 18. Wala. Nago na number 0. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Easy left. Ang score, 33-27. 7. Score 5 minutes and 6 seconds to play. Number 9. Wala pa rin. Foul by number 24. Ball by number 18. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumalpak. Foul by number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Easy 2 points. Ang score, 29-33. Number 8. Number 8, nag-aaral ng papasahan. Pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. 4 minutes and 34 seconds to play. Number 9, wala. Rebound by number 24, pass to number 8. Number 8, binababa ang bola, pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Number 9, nagbababa ng bola. Number 9, sumalpak. 4 seconds and 10 seconds. Right.
Last 4 minutes.
4 minutes and 11 seconds to play.
Hindi ba yun? Alabas ba yun?
29-37 ang score.
Last 4 minutes.
Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Turo. Number 8 tumira ng nose. Good for 2 by number 8. Ang score, 29-39. Lamang pa rin ng boss RJ. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Wala pa rin. Nago na number 18. Boss Irving. Good for 2 by number 18. Number 8 nagbababa ng bola. Minagpapadali number 18. Pass break. Naago na number 0. Number 0 naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to Boss Irving. Build up. Wala pa rin. Ako number 24. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Naagaw pa rin ang number 7. The big man of the pass, RJ. Pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Ang score, 33-39. 3 minutes and 12 seconds to play. Number 8. Number 8, inaaras sa number 18. Paasa sa ilalim. Lumabas sa bola. Out of bounds. Last 3 minutes and 1 seconds to play. Number 7, back to number 9. Number 9, tiniraan ang number. Number 7, number na wala. Ako na number 0. Pass to number 0 pa rin. Number 0. Paasa sa ilalim, number 9. Bumomba. Foul by number 18. Oras, 2 minutes and 42 seconds to play. Score natin, 35-39. Lamang ng 4 ang boss, Sanjay. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala pa din. Foul by number 8. Pushing foul by number 8. Session. Tatlong foul ba yan? Yan. 3 points by number 18. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Ako na number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 8. Number 8, wala pa rin. Ako na number 0. Number 0, pass to number 0 pa rin. Binali siya number 7. Back to number 0. And Irving, number 18. In and out. Rebound by number 24. 1 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Number 24 lumipad. Wala pa rin. Pero sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Number 0. Good for 2 by number 0. Oras natin. 1 minutes and 39 seconds to play. Number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. May basket. natin, 40, 43. Lamang pa rin ang boss sa akin ng tatlo. Oras natin. Tatlo.
Tama lang.
Ano siya? 45-40 ang score. Lima ang arcade. 1 minute and 30 seconds to play. Number 0. Number 0, lumipad. Wala pa din, pero nakuha na number 0 pa rin. Number 0. Still by number 18. Still by number 9. 1 minute and 8 seconds to play. Number 9 pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Boss serving. Ang score, 42-45. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute. 47. 50 seconds to play. Good for 2 by number 0. 40 seconds to play. Score, 44-47. Lamang pa rin ang RJ. 15 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Pass to number 24. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 0. 25 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Lamang na lang ang isa ang boss at 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 by number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Ang score, 46-49. Lamang ang boss RJ.
Meron dito, yung nabili.
Wala na.
Yung mananalo dito, sasanin sa inyo. Huwag mo na kaya, Alice. Ano kasi, Dre? Ice tubig. Sampung ice tubig.
10! Nakang pawis niyo. Ayan. Ice water dalawa. Sige na. Ice water ni Papa mo. Dali. Wala na. Ito siya. Drake, ikaw na nga lang bumili. Natanggalin mo! Ayoko na. Akin na. Akin na.
Start na.
Iya kasi. Iya kasi mo kulit.
Okay na, okay na.
Back to the ball game.
Bumili ka na tubig doon.
Back to the ball game. By number 12. Score 46-49 pa rin. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Tries to twit. 3 points. Out. Out of bounds. RJ. Bola tayo ng boss RJ. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Nagaw na number 9. Number 9 lilipad. Foul by number 18. Score natin, 46-52. Lamang pa rin ang boss RJ. Number 18. Wala pa rin. Number 12. Pass to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Pass to number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Imo by number 0, pass to number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Ang score natin, 6 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Imo by number 24. Pass to number 8, pass to number 12. Number 12, lilipad. Pinasbig sa number. Wala pa rin. Back to number 12. Easy 2 points. Ang score, 56-46. Score natin, 6 minutes and 30 seconds to play.
Titig yung isang ganta. Bigay mo kay papa mo.
For 2.
Papa mo.
Number 9. Pass to number 18.
Puro ka na naman kaya hindi makalikot.
Irving Kate.
Arsira, year sa tres. Good for 3 men ang Arsira.
Okay, 56. Number 18. Still one number 0. 18. Nakuha ng 9. Nakuha na number 18. Number 9. Nakuha na number 7. Number 18. Number 18.
Ay, pinasa niya.
Number 9. Five minutes. Number 9, good for 2. 58. Number 18. Ayun na. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Wala pa din. Arrow bounce. Bola tayo ng boss RJ. Ay, Irving. Oras. 4 minutes and 40 seconds to play. 55 to 58. Lamang pa rin ng boss RJ. Irving naglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 0. Number 0 nagharap na papasahan. Pass to number 9. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 24. Pass back. Number 18. Good for 2 by number 18. Ang score, 55-60. Lamang pa rin ang boss RJ. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 18. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 0. Nagharap na papasahan. Pass to number 7. Foul by number. Second, personal foul. 14 seconds to play. Number 0. Good for 2 by number 0. minutes and 50 seconds to play. Ang score, 56-60. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 18. Back to number 12. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Wala pa rin. Nago na number 0. Pass to number 9. Nagmamadali. Number 9 lumipad. Pinasa kay Irving. Step back and good for 2 by number 18. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Boss Archie. Ang oras natin, 3 minutes and 10 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Foul by number 7. Dalawa pa. Ay, isa. Kabilang pala. Ang score, 58-60. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Boss Archie. Number 0, pass to number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Pass to number 0. Wala pa din. Na-rebound na number 0. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pick. Easy 2 points. Good for 2 by number 9. Dead lang po tayo mga boss. Number 0. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 0. Ang score, 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Ang score natin, deadlock tayo mga boss. Number 18. Rebound by number 0. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound pa rin ang number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 9. Rise to 3. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 0. Number 0, pass to number 7. Down to. Nago number 8. Pass to number 24. Number 24 lumipad. Good for 2 by number 24. Ang score, 60-62. Lamang ang boss sa atin ng dalawa. Still by number 8. Pass to number 0. Number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18 tumira ng 3. Bang! Change table. Lamang na po ng isa ang Boss Irving. Number 12, nagbababa ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Ang score, 1 minute and 15 seconds to play. Number 8, bumuhol ng 3. Kaboom! Number 8, 3 points. Last 1 minute. Ang score, 63-65. 15 seconds to play.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to play. Labas mo na, wala.
Last 55 seconds.
Ang oras, 55 seconds. 0.5. Ang score, 63-65. Lamang ng dalawang boss at Jay. 63-65.
Ano si oras? 5:55.
5 seconds. Number 18. Ano itong papasahan? Pass to number 8. Pinalibag sa number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12. Stop and bang! Tumitingin ka ba? Good for 2 by number 12. 30 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 18. Stop and bang! Wala pa rin. Pero nakuha pa rin ang kami niya. Good for 2 by number 0. 32 seconds to play.
Bola!
Ako number 0. 15 seconds. Good for 2 by number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala na po tayo shot clock. Number 18. Tumira sa 3. Wala pa din. 2 seconds. Bang! Wala na po tayong oras. Ang score, 65-69. Lamang ng 4 ng Boss RJ.